Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a little unboxing, unbagging video for you. These are a couple Olights I ordered. Olight had a flash sale just a little while ago, and I ordered one light, and the free gift if you shared the post about the sale was a I1R2 little rechargeable keychain light like this. And thing is, it's a surprise what color it is. So they had teal or mint red, and the third one was either gunmetal gray or black. I'm not sure exactly what it was. So figured I'd show the unboxing, show you the light I ordered, then we'll see what color I1R2 I got. So carried the CJRB small feldspar green micarta today. Use that to open it. Pretty nice EDC knife. I do really like this, but let's see if I can. I didn't cut through the bubble wrap part. See if I can pull out the I5T. So yeah, I got the purple one. I have 5 other I5Ts in different colors. I'll show you. I got the black one, the desert tan one, the gunmetal gray one, the OD green one, and the copper one. So now I have the purple one go with them. I love these lights. These are excellent EDC lights. I carry one of these almost all the time, almost every single day. I'll switch different ones once in a while, but I usually have one of the I5Ts. So yeah, let's take a look at it. See if we can open it without ripping the box all apart. Open it from the bottom. So if you don't know, you get it out. Now that is purple. Holy smokes. Holy cow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you don't know about Olights. They always have this, read me, you have to remove the little plastic disc they put in for shipping. So let's see it in there. Get rid of that. Yeah, this thing is purple. I like it. Let's see how it works. So the I5T, the high mode is 300 lumens. Low mode is 15. I think, yeah, 15 lumens. The 15 lumens will last you 20 hours. The high on 300 will last you about 3 minutes. Then it'll step down to like 150 lumens for another 25 minutes. And then it'll drop down to 30 lumens for 122 minutes. So these things last a while. I don't change the batteries that often. Like I said, nice EDC lights. Now I got 6 of these. But here's what I really want to see. What color I1R2 I got. I got the gunmetal gray one. Keychain light, limited edition. Yep. I was kind of hoping for the red. The gunmetal gray was probably my second choice. I really didn't care for the mint teal. Let's take a look at it. Actually, it comes with a charging cable. That's good. Here it is. Yeah, it matches. Oh, yeah. So I got a matching one for this I5T. Maybe they'll put it says limited edition. Maybe they'll put the red ones up for sale. But no disc in this one. That's high. That's low. Low on this one's 5 lumens. It'll last like 6 hours. High is 150 lumens. So for such a little light, 150 lumens is a lot. And it'll last about 15 minutes. It's rechargeable. You got the micro USB cable that came with it this time. You unscrew it. There's a USB port. Charge it up. I don't charge. I use it quite often. I don't charge this only about every couple weeks. It's probably due to be charged up, but I keep this on my keychain, so it's a perfect fit for it. Comes in handy. You can't complain about it. You always got a little flashlight, pretty bright. You know, 150 lumens, pretty bright. But guess that's it. I just wanted to show you my new purple I5T and unveil what color I got. So I'm pretty happy. And this thing's really purple. This slicey dicey, I'll get one of these. But yeah, I don't mind that. It's very similar to, it's close to black. Side by side you can see the difference, but it's cool. So I like carrying this one. Get all these out. So I guess that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you have Olights, what kind you got, what ones you carry. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I appreciate all the new subscribers that have subscribed the past couple weeks. And I guess until next time, bye.